Dear viewers, at that moment we see him in front. He is very English Superman, Suel Tanvir. Now I am asking some question. How are you feeling this fall of afternoon?
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, Bulbul, and thanks to all. Give me a chance to tell about something. I cannot express in a word how I feel in the afternoon.
Why do you look so happy today?
Nice to be able to accomplish a big danger, so I am having a lot of fun.
Why are you used to speaking so much English verbally?
I feel very comfortable.
I recently enjoyed showing some of your lecture on YouTube channel.
Yeah, all that sounds pretty crap to me, looks like, but ain't for me either.
So we want you to be a very big English man in Bangladesh. I will go a long way, and this is your goal. And thank you very much, Shel Tanvir, and all the best.
Welcome for your good question, and next to see you.
Thank you very much.